Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker, Instructional Technology Coach. Today I'm just going to show you the basics of Formative. The website is goformative.com, so make sure you type that in first. And once you type that in, you're going to get to this site, and we're going to choose the login. If the students are logging in, you can use the join code, which was right next to login. Because I have a Google account, I'm going to use the Google login. If you have Clever, you can use that. If you want to see what the student version looks like, you can just create your own username. You don't have to have an email, so you can just create a username and a password. So for right now, though, I'm going to log in as the teacher using the Google login. Okay, while it's loading, one of the features that Formative has that the other things we've looked at today don't have is folders. So the first thing I'm going to do is click up here on this folder, and I'm going to create a folder called Teacher PD. Normally I would hit Add Folder, but because I already created this folder, it's already over here. So that's all that you would have to do. And I'm going to open up Teacher PD so that everything that I make underneath Teacher PD is going to stay inside that folder for organization. So it's really nice. So I'm going to hit New Formative. And the first thing I'm going to do is title it right here. And we're just going to do some practice questions so you can see what types of things you can do with Formative and where they will work. So I have my title and it automatically saves up here. And I'm going to hit this plus button so that I can see what types of things I can do with Formative. So it's very robust. I can embed things in it, which means I can embed videos, I can add images, text. I can have a whiteboard right in the slide. I can add video here, so embedding can be things like Twitter, Flipgrid, Padlets. I can also add questions, so multiple choice, multiple selection, short answer, essay, show your work, and true or false. And then the advanced are paid, so I'm not even going to look at them. Down here, I can also upload and transform a PDF or a Google Doc, which is really nice. Most of the programs only do PDFs or images. So if I have a worksheet that is already created in a doc or in a PDF, all I have to do is click on this link right here. If you click on this blue link here, it's going to take you to a pricing page. So all that means is that you clicked in the wrong place. Make sure you click next to this yellow icon. So I'm going to click on the yellow icon, and I'm going to choose my file. So I get 20 pages per month. Okay. If I want unlimited, I can pay more. But for right now, that's fine. So I hit the choose file, and now I can choose something that I want to upload. So I'm going to go to my curriculum folder, and let's see what I have. PDF, PDF, PDF. And I'm going to open this up. So it's processing the file. If I hit the plus button at the top, I get the same choices again. So here is my document that I had. It's actually a PDF, right, file, and it's 3 pages long. Okay, now it has automatically broken it up into those 3 pages for me. Okay, now it says click on the image to add questions. So let's just say I want to ask a question about this picture here. When I click on it, up here I get different types of questions. So right now I have 4 questions that I can ask just about this one page. Notice notice that it's where I clicked. There's a 2 here, there's a 3 here, there's a 4 here. Right now I'm not seeing number 1. If I click again, I'm going to get a 5. Okay? So I can choose what type of answer it is. If this is math, I can choose show your work, and then the kids are going to have extra space here to be able to show their work. I can type the question here. Write a math problem for the story on the page. And the kids can create that here. And over here, I can say short answer. What does the contraction your stand for? It shouldn't be capitalized. So I can add a correct answer here, and I'm going to say you are. I can add more than one correct answer. Notice, same as class kick, all right? And then I can also select a standard set that I want to link this to. So you can see how robust this really is. I can choose my South Carolina standards. Now I can choose the subject to go along with that. So maybe I'm going to choose Common Core Math, grade 8. And here are my standards. Crazy, right? Like crazy convenient. All right, so I'm looking at these, and I'm going to confirm and exit. So my standards are set. And now that I've set them, I can actually tag the standard that it goes along with. So, of course, I'm just going to make this up. There we go. 8G1A, and I can do more than one as well. I'm going to do 8G2 as well. Okay, so this is just crazy, crazy robust. I also, right here, can set how many points this is worth. So I'm going to make this worth 10 points. And I'm going to make this one worth 10 points. Okay. And I think I'll delete 5, 4, and 3 from this page. I got a little bit click happy. So I remove them. Now when I move on to the next page, so imagine that this is a math worksheet, right? And you want the kids to complete it and put the correct answers in the box. So here is, I'm going to drop a number here, which is number 3. Okay. What type of question, what type of sentence is number 3? Question mark. And I'm going to change this from math to English, and I'll make it a multiple choice because there's only one right answer. It's processing. It's a little bit slow.